Welcome. Today, we'll explore a proven roadmap to achieving your biggest goals and making 2025 your most fulfilling year yet. Defining your aspirations helps you gain clarity and direction. Setting targets that inspire you will drive consistent action. Align your actions with your principles, continuously learn and evolve, and make a positive difference in the world. Envision your desired outcome, identify key milestones, and outline the action steps needed to achieve your goals. Break down your goals into manageable tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and regularly review and adjust your plan. Practice stress-reducing techniques, fuel your body with healthy foods, and ensure you get enough restful sleep for optimal performance. Seek guidance from mentors, connect with peers pursuing similar goals, and lean on family and friends for encouragement. Maintain a positive attitude, be flexible and adjust your approach, and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Celebrate milestones, acknowledge significant progress, and rejoice when you accomplish your goals. Making 2025 your greatest year is a continuous process. Stay committed to your goals, celebrate your successes, and enjoy the journey.